are playing Gag and my friend over there is my classmate, alright? I have a friend. Hello. This is my garden. Look, and look, I got the pepper seed. Like, oh my god, I'm so happy about this. This is my friend. I got this. So look, I have, oh, frozen. Hi, crab. Can you pinch that guy? Maybe mahingi na siya. Maybe, rich. Yeah! Crab, do it now. Like, friend. Hi, bro. Sino pa nandito? Si Blue Blue. Yan. Bro, come on. Bro. Lag siya. Lagi. Okay mag. Tingnan natin yung seeds. Let's go. Let's go to the sea. The full day na. I see him going to my sky. Hello, Goose. Hello. Hello. No. Guys, may about me tao. Hi blood. Okay, let's understand. No. Eat it. Eat it. Kainin mo nga. Later, it's hot. Let's see. I'm a good food. It's happening on here! Yeah! Oh, nobody. Bro. Napulputik. Look. No, and noobs are bitches. Okay, let's get a... Oh, Godzilla Sprinkle! I didn't know that I have this. Alright, let's go! Let's see what materials we need for the tropical one. I don't need to. Let's see recipe. Okay, let's go. I got you. I need you to be a friend. Hello. One. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Now, submit, 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 submit. Eh? Submit na submit yung ay, hindi ko na-submit yung ano. Nararabando ako. Putok. Nagputok lang inon. Come on. Alright, mag-wait ako. Penny fruit naman. Expand. Ako. You're going my moment. The dream is the impossible dream of Mama Mia. Yes! Ang dami ba? Thank you! Thank you so much! Tumot. My friend gave it to me. Hello! Thank you so much. Robot. Thank you so much, girl. Right, girl. Even there's a boy. Let's see. Let's see the place. That's good.